Hey guys, we are learning how to write and complete sentences. When we talk about writing and complete sentences, there are a few things that we need to remember. Okay, the first thing we need to remember is that we have a capital letter at the beginning. Okay, the second thing is we have spaces between our words. One space between our words. So when we're typing, we're going to press the space bar just once. The third thing is we have a punctuation mark at the end. So that can be a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. I know it's kind of hard to see that one. There we go. And then we need to make sure we have a complete idea. Okay? So when we are putting words in order to create a sentence, so for example, I have the words popcorn, I have like, and I have I. This is the other thing. For the capital letter, remember that I is always capitalized, okay? So popcorn, like, I. A sentence has a naming part and an action part. It tells a complete thought. So for example, my brother, that's my naming part, and my action is jumps in the pool. I, that's my naming part, play outside every morning. A sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period or another end mark. So a complete sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. So I can already know that my I has to go first because it's my only capital letter. So I has to go first. Then we also know that popcorn has to go last because look, I have that punctuation mark there. So popcorn. And that only leaves us with one word left, which is like. So by eliminating some of our answer choices, that can help us in writing a complete sentence. So I is the naming part, the action part is like popcorn, and then we put them together to write I like popcorn. Let's do some longer ones. So I have the words sheep, lambs, baby, are. So remember, my sentence has to start with a capital letter. The only one with a capital letter is my word lambs. So I'm going to write lambs down. Okay, then I'm going to look for my ending word. The only one with my punctuation mark is the sheep. So sheep is going to be my last one. So now I need to look for my action word. Is it baby or are? Are is my action word, so it's going to be are. And then baby is my last word. So the other thing, you guys, is you can try. If I said lambs, baby, are, sheep, does that make sense? No. Lambs are, baby, sheep. That makes more sense. Let's try one that's a little bit longer. So plays a band, Evan, in. Again, I'm going to start with my first word that has to have a capital letter. So my first word is going to be Evan. I'm going to look for my ending word. Again, it has the period. So my last word is going to be band. Don't forget that period. Okay, now I have the words plays a, in. Okay, so Evan plays a in band? No. Evan a plays in band? No. How about Evan? Well, actually, I just read it. What is our action verb here? Our action word is plays. That is something you can do. So that's going to be our next word. So Evan plays a in band or in a band. He plays in a band. Okay? When you guys type out your answers, make sure you have that capital letter and that period at the end. If you forget those, it will not be correct.